Hey everyone, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In this video, we will see how to create an account on Crunchyroll. I wonder why you want to know how to create an account on Crunchyroll. Maybe you have heard a lot about this app and it really inspired you to create your account on this app. Or maybe you have seen someone else using it so you want to give it a try. Or maybe you're a fan of anime, you really like anime, watching different shows, so you want to just watch shows on this app. Or there could be any other reason for you to create your account on Crunchyroll. So whatever the reason it could be, in this video I'll show you how easily you can create your account on Crunchyroll. Also, I will try to leave written instructions in the description so you can check that as well. In case you don't know what a Crunchyroll is, so Crunchyroll is an app on which you could watch Japanese anime shows. So this is an app for all the Japanese lovers, or you could say anime lovers who watches different shows. So there you could see all these shows. So the Crunchyroll app is easily available on Apple's App Store and Android's Google Play Store. So from there you can easily download it, and once it get installed into your mobile phone, just simply tap on its icon to create account on it. Once the app gets open, you will see this interface, and there you could see the icon of the app, and there you will see these options. For the first two options, you could log into your account, but as we are here to create account, therefore we have to click on this last option. Once you click onto this last option, this page will open. Now what you have to do here is that you have to enter your email address here, and after that you have to create a password for your account, and then just simply click onto that checkbox. Once you fulfill all the requirements, it will take you here. Now it will ask you to purchase their premium version. So you can purchase it right now if you want to, but if you don't want that, then you can just simply go for later option, or you can just simply click on the cross which is to the top left side screen, and you can just simply skip for now. Once you do that, it will ask you for a permission, so you may allow it or you may deny it. It's all up to you. Once you allow or deny it, your account will be created. Now you can use it, you can watch different kind of animes. If you're a person who loves watching animes, then this app is exactly for you. There you could watch a lot of different animes, and if you ever purchase its premium version, then you will get benefit like you could be able to watch more and more animes of your choice without worrying about that it will not allow you to use. So it's all up to you. You can watch any anime of your choice, or you could explore the app by your own self. So this was the easiest way I know through which you can create your account on Crunchyroll. If you know any other way of doing it, so let me know in the comment section below. Also make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates, and thank you for watching the video.